SQL stands for Structured Query Language, and it's a standard language for storing, modifying and deleting data in DB. Our SQL tutorial will teach you some common queries which can we use in SQL Server, MS Access, Oracle, Postgres. Here we will create a sample customer data table under Products DB, and will insert few sample records. Now we will write our first select query. Select asterisk from customers. Here asterisk means all. Now you can see the results. The query has executed and has selected all the records from the table starting from customer ID, customer name, contact name, address, city, postal code and country. Now we'll move on to next select query with where condition. Here you can select any number of records based on your requirement or condition. This query will help to retrieve data based on single or multiple conditions. On the results you can see it has selected only one record based on our single where condition. Now we will move on to selecting particular fields as per your requirement. In the results you can see only one field has returned since we requested to select that particular field. Now we will move on to the last query of this video. Select distinct, which means returns only different values. See, there are some duplicate values in country field, but the query will return only different values.